Try to get it done in the next couple of minutes for you here.
Jordan 7354, turn right on, come back. You can't really hold short of the runway, but there's nothing on the approach at the moment, I am. Air Canada 4, correction, Air Canada 891 Heavy, Hotel 4, 2165 for ground.
2165, Air Canada 891.
Western 1229, tower falling A320 a mile final, winds light variable, clear to land 248.
Land 248, Western 1229, thank you.
Canada 753, clear takeoff, runway 23, winds 320 at 7 knots.
Good takeoff, 23, Air Canada 753.
Upper 3572, line up runway 23, the RJ is pulling out of the way.
Yeah, line up runway 23, 3572.
Governor North, connected Udo 8, ready to land, North Delta.
Chinese Eastern 208, Toronto Tower, line up runway 33 right, sequence to follow, traffic departing off 23.
With you approaching NOAA.
1124, Toronto Tower, winds light and variable, RJ about a mile final, wind 170 at 2 now, clear to land on 248.
Yes sir, clear to land, Runway 248, Air Canada 1124.
S327 advised in the turn, the wind's 360 at 4, clear for takeoff, runway 23.
Let you know, clear for takeoff 23, Jazz 327.
A4 Heavy, continue line up 23, Quebec.
Line up 23, Quebec, Air Canada 84.
Number 6300, ground frequency 121.9.
121.9, good day, number 62. See ya.
Novajet 56, departure 128.8.
188, Novajet 56, good day.
Big Air 4407, Toronto Tower, falling Embraer about a mile final, winds light and variable, clear to land 248.
Air 447, set NOAA, 24 right.
Air 447, tower, good day, winds light and variable, falling in Embraer, close final, wind is all over the place, right now 170 at 4, clear to land 240.
Land 24 right, thank you, reach Air 447.
57, Victor.
Jazz 327, thanks, departure 28.8.
Yep.
And A4
Air takeoff 23, Quebec, Air Canada 84, right. Helicopter, survey 285, Hotel.
Sorry, 285, Rogers, full position, altimeter 3007. Alpha 3410, caution, turbulence, line up runway 23. F23, Alpha 34, what's it? 1124, correction, Charlie 4, and ground at 219.
24, 219, Air Canada 1124, bye-bye.
Canada 108 with you, ILS 24 right. Canada 108, Toronto Tower, good day, you're falling Embraer 2 final, winds light and variable, clear to land 248.
So land 24 right, Air Canada 108.
Charlie 285, okay, what's your destination?
Sorry, 285, looking to go down towards 600 ready full secure.
Charlie 285, roger, stay north of runway 23 for now and climb 1,500 advised level. Lift off your discretion, advised airborne, winds are variable, less than 5. They can proceed direct to threshold of 24 right now, and advise
213, ILS 24 right, 8.5, 170 now.
Sorry, 285, thanks. Direct city, and you can contact them on 118.2.
Sorry, 285 direct city, switching into 2, thanks, good day.
Good afternoon, We're 213, ILS 24 right, 7 miles and 170 to the marker.
Our 213, Toronto Tower, good day, about 5 behind a dash 8, wind 150 at 5, clear climb 248, 23.
Switching up 93, reach 1900.
And a 795, departure 128.8.
28.8, 795.
Jazz 948, line up runway 23, delay for turbulence, and initial heading 180.
Line up point, runway 23, initial heading 180, 940.
And 872 heavy, once the room, you can start on pickup.
Okay, good out, back, when there's runway, 872.
Advise to turn, wind 140 at 7, clear takeoff 23.
Clear for takeoff, runway 23, we'll advise to turn, Jazz 948.
Runway 3765 for 248. Runway 3765, Toronto Tower, good day. You're falling 321 about a mile final. Wind 140 at 5, clear land runway 248.
Clear land 248, runway 3765. Jazz 948 in the turn.
Jazz 948, appreciate it. Departure 28.8, so long.
Have a good day, Jazz 948.
Handle 7618, cross jet blast, line up 23, delay for turbulence.
Line up 23, Maple 7618.
Flower 213, next rate is Charlie 4, contact ground 121 decimal minor.
34, 129, We're 213, bye.
Charlie Fox, 2 Golf Golf with you on the ILS 23, just coming up on off-cut.
Good call, golf, Toronto Tower, slow to final here. Number 1, there's an Embraer just lining up. He's waiting for heavy jet spacing. So landing clearance in about 2 miles. And wind check, light and variable, right now 340 at 6.
Okay, we check, we're slowing it up for Julie Golf Golf.
Maple 7618, departure 128. 3590, caught jet bus, line up runway 23, initial heading 180.
Line up 23, initial heading 180, Bronco 3590.
The wind 140 at 6, clear for takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff 23, Encore 3590.
Delta 2833, tower, line up runway 23.
Delta 2833, line up runway 23.
Canada 459 Noah.
Clear takeoff runway 23.
Delta 2833, clear for takeoff runway 23.
Canada 459, Toronto Tower, good day, wind 140 at 6, clear to land on runway 24.
Line 24 Raider, Canada 459.
Jazz 24, tower, line up runway 23.
Line up 23, Jazz 24.
Encore 3590, departure 128.8.
28.8, Bronco 3590, happy days.